To calibrate the coffee machine Electro Eclipto, you need your loaded portafilter, wing scale and empty cup. Now I have loaded the portafilter, as you can see, and with the wing scale, empty cup. Now I'll show you how to start the calibration. I will long press this button, manual one, and for a couple of seconds. Now you can see the GLX programming is came up. Now I will start the button that I want to calibrate. You can see this. If you want to save the recipe in this, so you need to press that button only one time only, and then check your weighing scale. How much short do you want, like 30, 40, 50. So I want 35 approximately. Yeah, 40. So I will stop the same button and save with this. Now your shot has been saved. So this machine, this particular button has saved 40 grams of espresso. It will brew anytime. So this is how you calibrate the program buttons. I will repeat one more time. Put a filter with coffee powder, tear your cup, and long press this, and then light will blink. Select one button, whatever you want to set the recipe, one time only, and then check your weighing scale, how much shot you want, and then stop the same button that you have pressed, and then save with this button. It's very easy. For saving the button, you just need to press one time only, not long press. Thanks.